to return to classrooms this fall or not.
If you have the virus under control, reopen.
But how can New Yorkers determine if the virus is under control enough to send our youngest back to school buildings? New York Governor Andrew Cuomo has a formula.
Schools will reopen if that region is in phase 4 and the daily infection rate remains 5% or lower over a 14-day average.
With COVID-related deaths steadily dropping, we could be on track to a blended learning system in September for 1.1 million New York City public school students, which outlined by Mayor de Blasio last week would be a combination of in-person and remote learning.
There are then state guidelines as to how that school reopens.
They include creating a hybrid learning system, maximizing available spaces like cafeterias and gyms, maintaining the 6 feet separation, making remote learning more innovative, daily cleaning and sanitizing of buildings and buses, implementing social, emotional, and well-being activities, tech support for students, parents, and teachers, and safe access to meals.
We want masks and PPE whenever students or staff cannot maintain social distancing.
But the governor warns the emergency brake can be pulled at any point.
Schools will close if the regional infection rate is 9% on a 7-day average.
Mia Ambrosio, a 4th grade teacher in Brooklyn, says she's paranoid about controlling a pandemic in a classroom.
That we should continue remote learning till we have a real handle on what's going on.
The governor says if schools are reopened, each child would have to be screened before entering the classroom.
We're not going to use our children as guinea pigs.
And the governor says he will have a decision by the first week of August whether or not students and teachers will head back to classrooms this September. But again, he says that could change at any point. In Harlem, Jennifer Bisram, Pix 11 News.